Hi teammates, it's Mrs. Grantham, and I told you this week we're going to be talking about subtraction. And one of the things I like to remember about subtraction is I'm taking two numbers, or I'm taking some numbers and I'm taking away from another number. So I'm going to take two bigger numbers, I'm going to make a smaller number. So if we think of it as going down the ladder, where with addition, we're taking two numbers, we're putting them together to make a bigger number, and we're going up the ladder. So subtraction, we're going down the ladder. So I have this cute little fireman, and we have to click on the correct number that would fill in the blank by counting down the ladder. So we start at the top. 4 blank 2 1. What would go in this space if I'm counting down the ladder? 3, that's right. 7 6 blank 4. What would go in this space if I'm counting down the ladder? 7 6 5. Because 5 is 1 less than 6. Remember, we found that out the other day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going down the ladder 1 space, which means I'm going backwards on the 6 1 space. 6 5. What goes in my space? 5. 8 7 blank 5. What goes in this space when I'm counting down the ladder? Well, we can count the touch points on the number above the blank space, and we'll be able to find by counting backwards 1. That's why we talked the other day about 1 less than. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to count backwards 1, 7, 6. What goes in this space? 6, that's right. What goes in this space when I'm counting down the ladder? 9 blank 7 6. What can I do if I don't know? I can use my touch points. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I just need to count backwards 1 9 8. I find my number 8, and that's what goes there. Yay! What goes in the space when I count going down the ladder? 10 blank 8 7. Well, if I'm going 1 less than 10, 10 9. Yay! What goes in the blank space when I'm counting down the ladder? 11 blank 9 8. Well, 1 less than 11 is 10. What goes in the blank space when I'm counting down the ladder? 12, 11, 10, blank. 1 less than 10 is 9. What number goes in the space when I count going down the ladder? 13, blank, 11, 10. Ooh, this is tricky because I don't have any touch points, but I do have my ones place. So what is 1 less than 3? 2. And which number over here has a 1 and a 2? 12, that's right. What number goes in the blank space when I'm counting down the ladder? 14, 13, blank, 11. Now what was that trick we used? Oh, that's right. I can look in the ones column. And what is 1 less than 3? 2. And I still need to have a 1 because I still have a tens place. So which number over here has a 1 and a 2? 12, that's right. Ooh, we got to drag and drop this time. So what numbers go in the blank spaces here and here when I'm counting down the ladder? Let's see, 16, 15 blank, 13 blank, 11. What was that trick I could use when I don't have any touch points? I can go to the ones place, right, of the number above and think, what's 1 less than? So what's 1 less than 5? 4, that's right. And what number over here has a 1 and a 4? That's right, 14. Still got another space, I'm not done yet. So let's count again, 16, 15, 14, 13, blank, 11. Well, I already have a 15 up there, so I know it's not that one. And if I look at my ones column, what is 1 less than 3? 2. So which number over here has a 1 and a 2? 12, that's right. Let's check. Yay! All right, we're going to drag and drop again. So which numbers are going to go in this space, and this space when I'm counting down the ladder? Ooh, let's see, 20. That one's a tough one. 20, what's 1 less than 20? If I'm looking at a number line, 1 less than 20. 19. And I still have this blank space, so what's 1 less than 9? 8, so 18 goes here. And I look up here, and what's 1 less than 7? I only have one choice left. So 16 goes here. Let's check. Yay, we did it. So I want you to practice counting backwards, maybe walking backwards, hopping backwards, carefully. And I want you to keep that backwards number in your mind. All right, counting backwards strategy in your mind. Super proud of you today. Great job.